the Brooklyn waitress who says that she lost her job for expressing reservations about getting the COVID vaccine. And this is now raising the question, can you get fired for refusing to get the shot? Ariel Reshef has this story. Good morning, Ariel.
Good morning to you, Cecilia. So many people are talking about this. Bonnie Jacobson says she is not an anti-vaxxer. She just wanted more time to do research on the vaccine's possible effects on fertility.
I was shocked. I couldn't believe it.
This morning, New York City waitress Bonnie Jacobson speaking out days after losing her job.
The events of the last few days, it's been a roller coaster.
The 34-year-old says she was fired after telling her employer she and her husband are considering starting a family, and she had hesitations about getting the COVID-19 vaccine.
What's your biggest reservation about getting the vaccine?
I just need more time. I need more research to come out, and I have my reservations about fertility.
Jacobson says the restaurant, Red Hook Tavern, sent out an email requiring all staff to get vaccinated now that they're eligible in New York. When she pushed back, she says she received an email terminating her employment.
Do you think it's fair for a workplace to be able to determine whether or not its employees should be vaccinated?
I don't. Especially in a situation like mine, I asked for a little more time. That's a very legitimate reason. I clearly was given no time. I want to make it very clear, I'm not an anti-vaxxer.
In a statement, Red Hook Tavern telling ABC News, "We made a decision that we thought would best protect everyone." Adding, "We now realize that we need to update our policy so it's clear to our team how the process works and what we can do to support them." As vaccines become more widely available, businesses are facing a major dilemma. Should they make the vaccine a requirement?
I think we're going to see endless litigation over this issue. And again, everything COVID related is messy. And I think that this is the very first we're hearing about this. But I think this is going to go on for years.
Some companies like Trader Joe's and Instacart offering financial incentives to employees to get vaccinated, while others like Red Hook Tavern are mandating it. And legal experts say that's an employer's right.
Under the Americans with Disabilities Act, as long as they're not requesting information from an employee, it's legal to require the vaccine.
And Pfizer has launched its clinical trial in pregnant women, and SART, which is the organization for fertility doctors, says that it does recommend the vaccine for pregnant women and women trying to get pregnant. Cecilia?
Okay, Ariel, I think so many people are going to have real questions about this. So what is the bottom line advice from legal experts that you're talking to?
So legal experts say, of course, this is a very thorny issue. There can be exemptions for medical reasons, possibly for religious reasons as well. But as you heard there in the piece, Cecilia, legal experts say there is legal ground for employers to require the vaccine.